When I was a child, I remember going to my mother's village and visiting my great-grandfather. Every time I was with him, he would tell me to always protect the beauty of life, the nature, the air, the river, every dog, every cat, every cow, every sheep, every flower, every blade of grass, every hill, every mountain. He said that is what gives us freedom, life, and happiness. To me, he looked like nature itself. Since then, I always seen life differently. I saw everything around me as something I need to protect. Somehow, whatever I must do, I can't just give in and watch things that cannot protect themselves get destroyed. Now, 20 years later, that something that cannot protect itself needs protection more than ever. Nature is being exploited, taken for granted, not seen as something valuable to keep intact, but as something to be used and then thrown away. Rogozna is that something. The mountain that is dying, the mountain that is disappearing, the mountain that is quietly begging to be saved. 20 years later, where some people want to kill it, there are still others who see it as idle. They protest, they speak, they refuse to look away. But many people still do not know what Rogozna is, or why it has always mattered. That is where I and my friend come in. We want to show you everything that you may not know. The beauty, the pain, and the destruction happening just 40 kilometers away from a city.